Sorry. Hi, this is Grammar, and today's topic is these 10 words with the sound. You know, this is like when you're doing exercise and you go, or when you're thinking and you go, kind of like that, okay? Now, these words are commonly mispronounced. We're going to take a look at the correct pronunciation right now. Many times people for this word say money or something similar. The correct pronunciation is like if you're making this sound, and we're going to say money, okay? So, correct pronunciation, first me, then you. Money. Perfect. The next word is honey. Good job. The next word has two sounds. We're going to say onion. Good job. The next one, very similar to this word, is opinion. Great. And finally on this side, we have the word color. Okay, so one more time. We're going to say in all of these words. We have money, honey, onion, opinion, and color. Okay? On this side, we have some more words. We have up. So as you can see, it's the same sound. Up, cup, bus, funny, and sunny. Okay? So just to summarize this, just to practice one more time, let's read all of these. And here we go. Read them along with me. We have money, honey, onion, opinion, color, up, cup, bus, funny, and sunny. Okay, so this is just practice, practice, practice. Remember that practice makes perfect. And these words with the sound are easy peasy, super breezy. Okay, now back to my workout. Uh.